Hey everybody, welcome to the video. This is real quick. I am sharing my uh, coupon code for the Kyle Roof on page SEO course. So what does that mean? Basically, Kyle Roof is an SEO. He's a great SEO. He created a course, a program to teach people SEO. And I have a coupon code for 50% off. It should be in the title and the description. You can go ahead if you want to sign up, and basically here's what the course is about. He uses a scientific method to help you rank. It has 114 videos in the course, which is pretty great. You can check it out. Here's like an overview. He has a little video talking about his course. If you go to YouTube and you just search Kyle Roof, you're going to find other videos and interviews that he's done. He offers a lot of great information just from those videos, but this course will go even more in depth. He does offer 100% satisfaction guarantee, so if you decide you want to sign up, you have 7 days to get a full refund. Basically, here you go. He entered in a competition in 2018, and his website ended up ranking #1. And then somebody wrote a story about it, and Google picked up the story and then basically punished his website. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. When if you search his name in YouTube, you'll find the videos with the interviews where he talks about this. It's really cool. He basically ranked the site using lorem ipsum, and so it's just basically kind of like gibberish. So if you go through, he talks about, I mean, all the different conferences he spoke at. He's done tons of tests. He even talks about how he got started in SEO. He was a lawyer. He didn't really like being a lawyer, so he started his own business. And what I find interesting is that when he started doing SEO, he started doing testing, which nobody else was really doing at the time, right? Like not in like he was doing scientific testing. People will do testing, hey, I'll try this and see if I get a result, but he would actually do actual scientific testing, and a lot of people weren't doing that. And that's what's so cool about Kyle is that he really sort of kickstarted this whole scientific testing for SEO. A lot of people will just do stuff, throw it against the wall, see what happens. But this course is all about, and it's a lifetime access to this course. So, anyways, again, 114 videos, practical sessions, homework, worksheets, private chat room. They also offer this thing that's called Internet Marketing Gold. It's like a forum, so you get access to that. Normally it would be $7.95. With the coupon code, it's 50% off, so it's like $397.50 or something like that. Um, there's pictures of people at different meetups and conferences and whatnot. So this is really to help teach you about SEO and ranking. So if you're not very good at SEO, or you're not good at ranking, or you don't understand, or you want to learn more, this course is great. It's really not that expensive. If you go around and you start comparing what everybody else is charging, there's people that are charging, 300 bucks a month. There's people that are charging 500 bucks a year. There's people that are charging, I mean, there's all kinds of prices, $1,500, maybe even more. And so 397 is actually a really good value to learn SEO from Kyle. You're not just learning SEO from some dude who's trying to sell you something. He actually has his own agency. He helps clients. He knows SEO. He doesn't he doesn't go around bragging about himself. There's a lot of people like that. They have huge egos. That's not Kyle. Kyle's very laid back. If you don't believe me, again, Google his name in YouTube. Watch some of his videos. You can see he's just an overall great guy. Um, so he has some FAQs down here, and so if you're interested, check out the course, sign up, learn SEO. Even if you just want to use it for your own website, maybe you have some affiliate websites and you want to rank better, definitely check the course out. Again, at 50% off. Use my coupon code. I do get a commission, just so you know, full disclosure. But if you have any questions, drop them down below in the comments, and have a great day.